Poppa Piccolino, Poppa Piccolino, he plays so prettily to every signorina. Poppa Piccolino from sunny Italy. Oh, listen to the music I hear. Oh, Poppa Piccolino is near to win a smile or maybe a tear before traveling on. A vagabond who wanders along, a millionaire, but only in song, as though the world might really belong to him. Oh, this fellow plays a melody so mellow that everyone keeps shouting bello, bello. La 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 la. Poppa Piccolino, Poppa Piccolino, he plays so prettily to every signorina. Poppa Piccolino from sunny Italy. No matter what the calendars show, it can't be spring, and I ought to know until I hear him singing, hello, hello, I'm here again. A flower in his battered old hat, a smile for every doggy and cat, and children get the friendliest pat of all. Now I'll give his name, so if you ever meet him, oh, then you will know exactly how to greet him. Here he comes, Poppa Piccolino. All over Italy, they know he's concertina. Poppa Piccolino, Poppa Piccolino, he plays so prettily to every signorina. Poppa Piccolino from sunny Italy. La 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 la